My name is Luna and I am from 1A. In Science Week, we have been learning about plants, and this week we have also been thinking about how we use water and how we can use less or even reuse it. Did you know that if you turn off the tap when you brush your teeth, you can save more than 10 big bottles of water? Have you thought of using rainwater water to water your home plant? Talking about plants, we planted our own seed and we have done tests to see how plants grow better. We are now observing these to see how well they grow. We even use soil with compost so that they grow better. It has been so much fun.
Hi, my name is Dylan and I'm in 1B. We found out that some places in the world do not have as much water as Malaysia. We decided to collect rainwater and find out how much we could collect in 1 week.
Hello? Hello?
First, we look at an image of the earth and talk about the different colors of the land. Some parts were green and some parts were yellow. We use atlases and globes to investigate and find out that the green parts were forests and the yellow part were deserts. My name is Jim. I am in 1B. In class, we have been making bean and seed mosaics. We make a plan using felt tips, then follow our plans to create a mosaic. We use the many different beans and seeds, like green beans and sunflower seeds. Don't you think my mosaic looks amazing?
Hi, I'm Ramira. My class is 1E. We read the book The Tiny Seeds, then turned into tiny seeds like this. To imagine how it feels like to be in the desert and in the ocean. Finally, we wrote a diary entry.
Okay. Thank you very much, Year One. It was lovely to hear what you've got up to this week. And it sounds like all of your classes have a lot of fun. Thank you. Can we hear from, next up we're going to hear from Year 2. So